up, guys? Welcome to day 230 of backtesting every single day until I'm profitable. Today is which day is it? 17th of December. So I think we should just get started with the backtesting session. Well, I think that's all. And I hope you have a good time watching this. So we'll be doing the 2021. The model will be done in 2021, and if you want to join the Discord, there's a link in the bio, and you can also use the backtesting platform link in bio as well. So let's get going. There's this gap here, so I think it's probably about to go higher. I think it's bullish. Now when I go to the 4 hour, you can see that there's a good gap here holding, and there is this good high here, and this high here. Now when you check the 1 hour, it looks like we have a small run on this low here. Asia lows have been run on ES but not on NQ, so there's an SMT obviously. I think we should long it. It should be 50 now. Okay, so price fall short of this low here. Then just inverses here. I would have loved the liquidity run, to be honest, so that's why I'm gonna sit and wait. So what we see here is a run on this low here and this low here. Minutes dropping insane, pretty much like what happened today. So Asia lows have been run. I'd have loved to long it, but it looks like it doesn't want to present a long setup. Okay, here's an inversion. Well, 15-minute gap is still looking okay. I have a premium 5-minute. This 5-minute gap there. Checking the 1 hour. Well, prices run this low here, this low here, and this low here. So there's an SMT obviously. Can take a small 1-to-1 to this high. This premium 5-minute gap. So let's take for around 18 points, 1 hour. So that's 500 over 36. That's around 14 micros. So let's long it. By the way, I just found out on TradingView that I've been active for 324 days. Like 324 days. Do you understand that? That's insane. This is insane. 15 minute is looking good. I still think price is bullish, and we've had a retracement into a small 15 minute. Let's see if we can set up for some good longs, because honestly I would love to long it. I don't have a reason to short it. Okay, run on the low here, and then inversion. It's a 5 minute here and a 15 minute as well. We have the 930 open at this high and this high here. So we'll use around 20 points, which will be 500 over 40. I think we're gonna close the break even because the way ES is moving. Yep, we're gonna close it here. It's a new candle open. And then after closing it, it runs directly to take profit. Ow! And look at how long it takes. Let's go to a new day. Okay, so price is in some sort of consolidation now. Let's see the daily. Or oh, I think there was an SMT here. Nope, there's none. Okay, there's a couple inversions here and inversion here, but I think price will go higher. Let's see, there's a high here. So maybe it could run some lows instead of going high. That would be the only thing I would expect now. Asia highs, Asia lows. So maybe it runs Asia lows, then we start longing it. Okay, this is not a 1 minute inversion, is it? Okay, 2 minute inversion, 1 minute inversion. Well, the draws would have been 930 high, but the 930 high has already been taken out. But since we're bullish, we could target this high here. Well, as of now, I have an SMT here. We can target this high from yesterday or this one here. Yeah, I'll do 10. they got a retracement to the inversion, it went higher, then it got topped out. Okay, I think this was on me because obviously the high has been run. Let's head on to the next day. This is the only liquidity run I could get, and there's a gap. 4 hour relatively equal highs. There's no 1 hour, no 2 hour. Where are we gonna long this thing from? Let's check the sessions. Initial lows have already been run, so maybe the open could just start rallying higher. You can see directly at the open, priced rallies higher. Now it's consolidating. Love to see it run some these lows here. Okay, an SMT version. How about I short it to this low, because now the price is run here compared to this low here. Gap right there. Would love to short it to the 930 low. Let's try this thing out. Banger. Okay, the run, and now inversion. 5 minutes, it's a gap. 15-minute gap. There's relatively equal highs here, obviously. Let's take some longs to here or to here. Shoot. This will be 1-to-1 though. Let's take some good longs towards the high. so this is a good retracement into the gap and then rejection. I'm gonna take another long here. Oh, seriously. Banger W there. So lesson here, retracement to the BPR was necessary. But it was a good one. Because you consider long it from here with the stop here. Would have given a 1R. But yeah, the second one was better. So after price hit an all-time high, it started to drop, but it was consolidating all the time. So where is it going? What's up, Gen X Trades by Lady E? How are you? Now, what's the bias today? Can't determine it right here. Let's check the 4 hour. It's melting, but we've got the all-time high here, which price is around 60 points away from as of now. Price dropped because of NFP, so this might be a data low. So if it continues to drop, then obviously we'll target these lows here. Well, I've backtested how many years? I think it's around like there is 5 years on FX. I mean on TradeZella, and around 3 years, like 3 to 4 years on FX Replay. I don't really remember well. And yeah, the stats are not looking bad. I have around a 50% win rate. So there's also a data high here as well. Let's see. Yeah, we're in 230 days. I think I'm gonna run it to like maybe 360 then, or 365, then close it off. Right, I think I see something here. Well, we've got a run on the 930 low here. 5 minute, it's a gap. 15 minute, it's also this gap, but I still have a bullish bias in mind. Right, Gen X, thanks for the feedback. I think we can fix it. Let's reduce the lo-fi a bit. How's this? Now, yeah, as I was saying, I think could probably go higher from this inversion here, and we have relatively equal highs all the way here, stacked up liquidity. So let's see if you can take some longs towards this high. So this should be around 14 micros long. Gen X trades by Lady E. How's the sound now? Is it okay? Is it great? Right. Let's just sit and wait. Damn, I get cooked right away. Okay, very crazy consolidation, but yeah, it was another lesson. Okay, now let's head on to the next day. New York AM. I still think price could be bullish, but it looks like it tapped into a daily fair value gap here, and it ran the previous day low. So the previous day high is also a good target now. Checking now the 4 hour, you can see you have a good inversion here. We have a low hanging fruit of this gap, which price is 25 points away from, and price is around 65 points away from the all-time highs. So maybe we retrace and go higher, but I will be looking for longs on the day. So we've got Asia lows here, so if it happens to drop, we'll cool know where it could be heading to. 9:30 open, hits the low hanging fruit. Well, it's a 4 hour gap tapped into right here. See run on this high here and this one. Well, shorting it will be good, but I'm not really confident with shorting it towards all the way here, because this is around 89 points away. But we also got this 15-minute gap stacked up here. It's also 1 hour low. Oh, okay, let's try some shorts. Above the inversion, I would love to target this, but it's a little bit too far. 3R doesn't really work with my model at all, actually. 9, let's set it. Okay, so we had a drop to this low here. Well, we saw this coming, so it's like it's something I expected after the run on this low here. This one here. Okay, so that's how you want to play it, NQ. So if it breaks structure here, we can close a partial, if it happens to do so. If not, then we're cooked, because it looks like it's consolidating and we are out. New day, another new day. So Gen X trades, where are you from, man? Where are you from? Checking the 4 hour, you can see that we are running higher, obviously. We fell short of this low, but we run some here and another low here, burst here. It's not the quickest PA, like it's kind of slow because of the way yesterday it went, but I think yesterday was just the corrective move, and the impulsive move is to start today. I wonder what will be happening when the markets start moving 24/7. Well, we got a good gap, 15-minute gap here, so maybe you can run the slow and starts delivering higher. Sure, mate, sure. Thanks for tuning in on today's session. Have a great day, man. Okay, we've got the retracement into the 15 minute. Well, there are no like gaps or something, no gaps to embrace except this small thing here. Except maybe if there is a gap somewhere else I didn't see. Thanks, fam. Thank you. There's a small inversion here. 2, 3, 4, 3. There's a 930 high. Obvious target. Very, very obvious target. This is around 16 micros, so let's long it and see where it heads to. My stop will be at this low and take profit at this high. And ES has already run this high, so it is an SMT. Retracement into a gap here. Very good run higher. Oh, come on. Should I move to break even at this high? So turns out yesterday we were wrong and market ended up dropping. We're still in this gap here. Run. There's a run on this low here and there is an SMT. So there's a run here and there is an SMT. Now checking the 1 hour, we've got an inversion here and got some good relatively equal highs here. So we've got a retracement. It's not into discount of the whole move, like from all the way here. But I think we can long it, you know. Well, for NQ, for ES, it's already running still close to this high. There's this, and there's can take it to this 940 high, but it's not a gap, so maybe you might as well long it to this high here. 3 hours is crazy. Let's take around 12 micros here. Seriously, this is a crazy losing streak. I bet the stats are cooked right now. This show. Damn. Okay, maybe I don't know if we married our bias, but I think I was okay with trying to long it now. So I think I'm going to start shorting it to daily lows as like the lowest hanging fruits. Checking the 4 hour, nothing much. This is a huge 1 hour gap and run on the highs, so I'd like to believe it drops here. Okay, drop to the low directly at the open. Let's long it to the 930 high, small scalp. But how did the position close itself? Oh yeah, it was closed out at this week. Jesus. Oh, that was quick. And okay, something's wrong with this thing. How are they two positions? Oh god. So the only good opportunity would have been shorts at this candle here. This inversion here, short it from here and target this low here because we have a run on the highs, and it's also an SMT, bro. This was a plus. Let's see if there was like a 15-minute gap. Okay, there's a huge 15-minute gap here. Consider there is a good gap here. 1 minute. Okay, got now a run. So this will be a plus entry, and there is SMT here. Let's go to the next day. So very great long day. Let's see how the 1 hour was. Wow. Well, apparently 10 flew higher after running the target how I had traded too. Let's check it out. So this low here was run. Retraces higher, so this is where we're faked out first. Runs lower, then goes higher. Another fake out yet at 10:03. Then another reversal yet here at this inversion. So entry here, and then target 930 high for 38 points, and you're good to go. Okay, so we have a run on the low here. There's an SMT here as well. It's the 1 hour. There's an inversion here. And good target here, which is how many points away? 10 points away. A few minutes to the open drops lower, and I believe it's a 30-minute gap as well. Well, I think here we would use SMT here. I think we can use a 30-second gap. Let's check it out. Wow. So there's a 30-minute inversion. It brings me into the inversion, and it looks like it's holding, so we can maybe long it. Not maybe, actually, I think we can long it for maybe a 1-to-1, I don't know. How much will be this? I think it's around 13 micros. Come on, every single time. So after putting my position to break even, it retraces. Very good. Then gets stopped out. Seriously. Trading this consolidation has now become real hard. There's a 4-hour low here. Man, it's pain for sure, it's pain. How you doing, mood trading? How's your day? Okay, we have some sort of SMT on the 1 hour here. London highs. Okay, I'm gonna look for some way to long it, probably 15-minute gap here. Okay, we've got to tap into the 4-hour gap. So another target will be here. Price dropped over 150 points since the open. There was a good opportunity, by the way, at 940, somewhere around there. You can see that at here there is a run on this high here, and then an inversion, couple inversions here, so you can see that you can short it. Checking the hourly, here's it's not an SMT around the lows. Okay, there's a now a run on the lows. Why are there no inversions here? That 10-minute inversion. Is there like a 15-minute high? Yikes. There's a 5-minute gap and a 5-minute gap, so they have this. Okay, there's an SMT, by the way. I think I would close it because there is this SMT here, 5-minute gap, and tapped. Let's close it at the candle here at a break even. New day. Equilibrium. There's a gap. There's a wick here, which might hit constant encroachment for some longs. Oh God. There's a high here. Okay, got a 1 minute inversion here. Just put probably stop at this 33 or 30 points, then target here and here. Have some small relatively equal highs here. Damn, that was quick. Oof. Let's go to the next day. Can't figure that out now. And looks like it's still dropping, so let's see if you can short it. this high here, so there's an SMT, and then there's a gap here, the candle close inside. So 70 points for, I think I shorted today. Okay, then SMT 9:30 open. There's also Asia low. Wow, this has been a crazy session so far, so I think I'm gonna end. No, why do I keep saying that? I'm gonna end this session here. Jesus. Until next time, stay blessed. Peace.